Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today we'll see median. Same like arithmetic mean, in median also we have individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Today we'll focus only on the individual series. Individual series means only x is given, data is given, no frequency, only one single lane data is given, that was x. So how do we calculate that? That we'll see. Here you have to remember simply two steps to calculation of this median in individual series. First step is that given data you have to arrange it in ascending order. Okay. So step number 1, arrange in ascending order. Arrange the data in ascending. Okay, and then after arranging in step, the data into ascending order, the next step number 2, you have to apply the formula. Median, what is the meaning of median? Median means middle value. Suppose we have a lots of data. What is the middle value? What is the center value? To know that we are calculating this median. Okay, we are arranging the data in ascending order, and step number 2 we have to apply the formula. So the formula is m is equal to, m means median. Okay, m is equal to size of n plus 1 by tooth item. N plus 1 by tooth item. Only these two steps you have to remember. Am I clear? Place is very less, so I wanted to clear these two. Step number 1 is arranging the data into ascending order. Step number 2 is formula, m is equal to size of n plus 1 by tooth item, right? So I will clear this so that we can work out the problem. Now given the data, obtain the value of median from the following data. Data is given like this, x values are given. What we have to do first? Arrange it in ascending order. So I will arrange it. I will say x. Ascending order means minimum number. Minimum number is here 391, I think. 384. First one is 384, then after that 391, next to 407, then after that 522, after that 672, next 753. After that 777, then 1490, then 2488. So arranged in ascending order. If you want, you can give here serial number also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Arrange in ascending order. Then after that apply the formula. What is the formula? Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by tooth item. So median is equal to size of n. N means number of observations. Individual series, number of observations is always n. We have learned in arithmetic mean also. Only in individual, discrete and continuous series, n will be total of the frequency. Here no frequency. Where is the question of total? Number of observations, how many numbers are there? 9. 9 is the n. Okay. So size of 9 plus 1 by tooth item. 9 plus 1 means 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. So median is equal to fifth item. What is the fifth item? You have to see fifth item is this one. Okay, this one is the fifth item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth item. Hence, median is fifth item. You can write one sentence also here. Fifth item is 672. Hence, median is equal to 672. So, this is your answer. Am I clear? What we have done? Simply arranged this data in ascending order, then applied the formula size of n plus 1 by 2th item. So, n is here 9, 9 plus 1 by 2 means fifth item. What is this fifth item? Fifth item is this one. So, we have written a sentence, fifth item is 672, hence median is 672. Okay? Are you clear? This is median when data is given in odd number na 9 numbers. When data is given even number, then how do we calculate? We will see second problem also. Second problem is this one. Okay. So, same data we have to arrange it in ascending order once again. So, shall I work out over there or shall I will work out here only. So, arranging the data, this is second problem. Okay. Arranging the data in ascending order. Ascending order means 900 we have 3 items. So, first 800 is also there, no? So, 800, 884, 891, then 900 we have 3, 907, 922, 991, 900s are over. Now coming to thousands, this is the next number 1072, then 1153, then 1277, 1490 and 2488. Like this we have arranged the data into ascending order. Serial number if you want to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, this is even number. Okay. So, do not get confused. I will draw a line. So, we have arranged everything like this. Okay. Now, what else we have to do? Size of n plus 1 by 2th item. What is n? N is 10. I will work out there. You know that median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. N is here 10. Okay. So, n is 10. Size of n is 10, no? 10 plus 1 by 2th item. So, this is 10 plus 1 by 2, it comes to 11 by 2. 11 by 2 comes to 5.5th item. So, 5.5th item. 5.5 means it is in between 5 and 6. It is in between 5 and 6, but exact amount, exact figure we do not know. 5.5 means in between these two. So, we will take an average, 5th item plus 6th item by 2. Okay. So, median, you can write one sentence also, see here. Median lies in 5th item, 991 and 6th item. 6th item is here 1072. So, hence median is equal to 5th item plus 6th item by 2. 5th item plus 6th item by 2. It means 5th item is 991, 6th item is 1072 divided by 2. We will use the calculator. 991 plus 1072 divided by 2. It is 1031.5. 1031.5. This is the answer. Am I clear? Let me explain you once again very clearly. Median, whenever you want to calculate median in individual series formula, remember size of n plus 1 by 2th item. This you have to remember. Okay. First problem, number of observations were given odd number. Odd number means 9 numbers were given. When odd number is given, very easy to find out. As we have done, size of n plus 1 by 2th item. N is here 9, 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 5th item. 5th item means middle item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th item. This is median. So we have mentioned here, right? In the second problem, I have taken even number. When if it is even number, formula is same. Size of n plus 1 by 2th item. We are getting 5.5th item. 5.5 means it lies in between these two. Okay, in between these two. So if you calculate 5th item plus 6th item by 2, so you will be getting this value, second problem. So this is in case of even number. Odd number, even number. Am I clear? If you understood, this is the homework problem. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that is easy problem for you. Odd number is given, arrange it in ascending order, and 5th item, I mean n plus 1 by 2th item. Find out whatever you get. Ultimately your answer should be 70. How many of you are getting? Let me know in the comment box. Do you want to take a screenshot? Yes. So how many of you are getting this answer? Let me know in the comment box. All the subjects, many subjects already covered. Check out the playlist. Everything is free of cost. Use it and forward it to your friends. Practice well. Good luck.